Well, change of plans. They have lifted the burn ban. So it is still early morning, dew on the ground. We're fixing to get started cutting and burning. But first I wanted to say thank you, number one, to the person who sent me these. Let me put my glasses on. There's a particular name, Sliver Geeters or something like that. Let me. Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper. And I don't know if I can do this. Get your big head out of my shot. You're not in the Screen Actors Guild. Well, anyway, thank you very much to whoever sent me those. It's small, but it's thoughtful, and I appreciate it. And I'm saying it's as important to me as any gift would be, and I appreciate it very much. And I want to say thank you to whoever sent me this. These are refillable cylinders, and I know exactly what I'm going to use these for, and that's my Big Buddy heater. So thank you very much to whoever sent this to me. I'm really grateful. And thank you to whoever sent that to me. I appreciate it. All right, let's get to work cutting. All right, let the games begin. We're starting. Okay, we are about halfway done. No, about 2/3 of the way done. I say we got 2 more trailer loads of brush, limbs, branches to pick up, and then rake it, mow it, and it's done. And then we got some stragglers in our yard we're going to pick up, limbs that fell down. We're not working on that big pile over there yet, the 2 oak trees. That's close enough to the road where if it does get terribly wet, if we have a lot of rain and we can't get out in the yard with a trailer, then
for the little handsaw.
The handsaw. Oh my God, yeah. Where is it? Is that it? Doggone it. Hey, here it is. Yes, Phil, thank you very much. You would not believe how handy that thing has turned out to be. Something that small. And here's the reason it's handy. You can use it with one hand, and you can pick up the branch you're cutting with the other hand. So you don't have any wasted movements, basically. And, when you're my size, you can't afford to waste any calories. Okay, taking a break, drinking some water. My wife is going to go empty that trailer, and when she comes back, my break will be over. My dog just squealed. Okay, we're getting there. My God, it's hot. It's middle 90s with a high heat index because, boy, is it humid. Lordy. We had high hopes of picking up some of the stragglers in our yard. We've had limbs come down all over the yard, just single big limbs, but single limbs. And we were thinking we could get this cleaned up and then go clean a couple of limbs up, but no, that's not happening. It's all we can do to finish this. It's 1 in the afternoon. It's taken us all morning to clean this up. And it's probably going to take another hour or 2 to get it all raked up and all the little sticks picked up and then get it mowed. So we're getting there. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, neither one of us, we just completely run out of steam. That's, we'll finish it in the morning. We just got a couple little piles to rake up and then mow. This is the first big project I've done since I got out of the hospital. And it's the first big project I've done since I got my back put back together. And the bending over is just killing me, and Charlie too. Plus the heat, you know,
I just can't deal with it.
the heat was supposed to be gone, but you know it's in the middle 90s, and the heat index is probably in the hundreds, don't you think, with the humidity?
Humidity is just,
Yeah.
man, at 8 o'clock this morning, my shirt was soaking wet.
Yep. We got started early, and it was okay early. It was humid, but boy, when that sun come out and burned the dew off, and jeez, God, it got hot. Anyway, it was a big project. We're almost done. Just a little bit of raking and a few piles to throw on the fire, and it'll be done. So that's thank God they lifted the burn ban, because geez, it's been sitting there for a while. And the thing is, we couldn't do anything with it, because if we bring it down there to where we burn, what you end up with is a burn pile the size of your house. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the video up. I usually like to put videos up, you know, final when it's all done and all cleaned up and looks nice. And oh yeah, we still got some hummingbirds, not many, about half a dozen. All right, have a good Friday, y'all.